In this video, I'm going to show you how to see sensitive content on Twitter or X. So first of all, what you're going to do is you're going to go to the website of Twitter. Then you need to sign into your account. In my case, I'm going to sign in through my Google. Then you will be redirected to the home page of Twitter. First of all, you're going to click on this more icon below the profile icon on the left side of your screen. Then you're going to click on settings and privacy, and then you will be able to see here all the categories of your settings. First of all, you're going to click on privacy and safety, and then you will be able to see here all the settings of your account related to privacy and safety on the right side of your screen. Then you're going to click on content you see. After that, as you're able to see here, the first option, display media that contains sensitive content. By default, it is unchecked. Then you're going to click on this box to check this option. After that, as you're able to see here, the last option you have is search settings. So you're going to click on that, and you're able to see here, hide sensitive content option is enabled. So you're going to click on this box to uncheck this. Then just close your search settings. And now if you browse on Twitter, the sensitive content on Twitter will no longer be hidden.